Hello, my name's Tony Bickwood. I'm the author of a bundle of Excel spreadsheets and templates. It's about 30 megabytes to download. It's been widely acclaimed and widely approved of by customers. It's got an average 4-star rating from over 1,000 votes, 1,000 customers. Accountants, project managers, and analysts, really all around the world, from the USA, Canada, South America, Europe, Australia, New Zealand, have bought our bundle to complement the accounting software which you can buy from a whole variety of sources. And we all know what accounting software does, and it's very good. But there are elements of running a company aside from accounting software, excuse me, that accountants need to have the tools to be able to do quickly and efficiently, to save money, not spend hours trying to work out the formulas and the functions and everything like that. They want to go somewhere that will give them the answers very quickly. Now, I don't want to overburden you with information, but as you can see here, the kind of spreadsheets that we provide, cash flow, financial ratios, product pricing, all these have the formulas inside the spreadsheets that are clearly visible, clearly available. You can look at them, you can learn from them. They do all the calculations, they provide all the answers, all the solutions. Some of the workbooks come with databases of current values from reliable data sources, especially for company valuation. You want some metrics to be able to value sales, EBIT, things like that. So it's not just the formulas, it's the database that goes with it. Now, again, I don't really want to overdo the explanations, but you can see here I've pulled up some workbooks, company valuation, investment project analysis, real estate investment project, financial performance ratios, R&D, tax credits, and that is just a very small sample of what we have. With company valuations, can be very simple. It can be very complicated. This is a very simple part of it. It can get much more complicated. You can have a 10-year cash flow. You can discount the after-tax cash flows to get present values and internal rate of return, but I won't go into that quite now. An investment project analysis, detailed analysis of either a production process, or you can go into real estate, and we provide a whole gamut of information that you need to analyze a real estate project, even including, if I can come back to that for a second, even as you run along here, occupancy, income, expenses, debt finance, interest rates, and also accelerated depreciation, which obviously is a very important part of a real estate project, taxable income, accumulated profit and loss, capital gain, loan repayment. It's actually very comprehensive spreadsheets indeed. Financial performance ratios, balance sheets, that you basically plug in the numbers. It's really very straightforward. Income statement, again, it's very between two periods. Very sorry about that. Very straightforward. Cash flow statement. You can plug the numbers in there, and then out come the core ratios. You can get all the formulas. You know where they're coming from. We put in some signals, worse, better. Question of whether these figures are getting better, whether they're getting worse. And then you've got all ratios here, and again we can put in some little signals for you. But you can, look at all the financial ratios that are provided for accountants, or including, by the way, the Altman Z. If I can get this right, the Altman Z. Solvency scores. You probably know about this already, but if you get a Z score of between, well, above 3, let's say, the company is liquid, it's solvent, it's going in the right direction. Below 2, below 1.8, things are looking much more serious, and it is a predictor of insolvency if you go way below that. So not only Altman's Z scores, but all these other ratios that bankers and investors like to see. Very easy to plug the numbers in, and out it all comes. R&D tax credits. We provide. Let's go back a little bit here. Go back. We give a complete breakdown of how to apply for R&D tax credits, describing the technical problem, defining the technical unknowns. We give you a keyword analysis, the keywords to use in an R&D tax claim. And then you can set up cost centers in Excel and their cost sheets, and staff consolidation. You can do that, material consolidation, costing sheets again. So there's a very, very comprehensive package of um, analysis and formulas and functions that accountants can use. They can just take the spreadsheets off the shelf. They can just put them in a file, put them on a little memory stick, and whenever they want them, whenever you want to do a business valuation or a costing calculation or inventory management, I haven't shown you that one, but very useful to minimize stock levels and make sure you get the lead times right. They give you 55 extra financial functions, the statistics analysis. I mean, all this is just useful stuff for when accountants and project managers want to pull something off the shelf and be able to say, okay, this is the problem that I've got. It can't be covered by accounting software, but I can use these spreadsheets and these formulas, and out comes the answer. So that's basically why our Excel spreadsheets have been so popular. They'll just provide you with the answers. Well, I mean, it's been hours and hours and hours developing your spreadsheet. So I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope it's been interesting for you. If you would like to purchase, you simply go to this address. It's a bit.ly address, /financial templates. Just put that into your browser and away you go. And thank you so much for listening. If you have any problems with the spreadsheet or anything like that, I will be giving you my Skype address when you've ordered so that you can ask any questions, probe, get things just sorted out in your mind. I can give you lots and lots of help with anything that you want. So please get in touch with me after you've ordered, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you very much.